Every single day's giant factory transforms.
The churn rate is stable at 98%. We should check the temperature logs for the last batch.
Before production begins, every batch is tested to ensure it meets strict safety and quality standards. Inside these high-speed separators, fresh milk is divided into cream and skim milk. The rich cream is the essential ingredient that will soon become butter. As the churns rotate, millions of tiny fat droplets combine, creating the first grains of fresh butter. The freshly formed butter grains are gently washed to remove excess buttermilk, creating a cleaner taste. Powerful kneading machines remove trapped air and distribute moisture evenly, giving butter its rich, creamy texture and consistent quality. Computer-controlled systems ensure every batch receives the exact recipe, delivering the same taste and quality in every package. Powerful robotic systems pack hundreds of butter packages every minute with incredible speed and accuracy, reducing human error while maximizing efficiency. Each carton is automatically sealed and inspected to ensure every package reaches consumers in perfect condition. Every butter pack can be traced back to the exact production batch. Every carton receives a unique identity. Powerful robotic palletizers prepare thousands of butter cartons for storage and global distribution with unmatched speed and precision. After packaging, every pallet enters a fully automated refrigerated warehouse, where freshness is preserved until advanced warehouse software instantly locates every pallet, allowing customer orders to be prepared within minutes. Not a single pallet is searched manually. From this factory, thousands of tons of butter begin their journey every day, supplying homes and businesses across the world. From the factory, butter is distributed through advanced logistics centers that coordinate deliveries across entire regions. Intelligent sorting systems ensure every carton reaches the correct destination without delay. Protective wrapping keeps every shipment secure throughout transportation, reducing damage and maintaining product quality. Each pallet is wrapped in just a few seconds. After an extraordinary journey through one of the world's largest butter factories, the finished product finally reaches store shelves, ready for millions of families to enjoy.